What's going on, guys? My name's Bill. This is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesdays, I like to bring you guys tools that I've been using in my videos or that I've been using on projects in and around my garage. How many of you guys are like me and you're in your garage working on projects, working alone, just getting stuff done? Like my daughter's car here. She's been saying that the brakes aren't feeling right. Sometimes she's got to pump them up. So I'm going to give the brakes a good flush and just get everything dialed in. But like usual, I'm working alone and I don't have anybody to help kind of pump the brakes so I can bleed everything properly. That's where this thing comes in. This is just a simple brake bleeder. Now they come in a set of two, and what it is basically is a one-way valve. So I can connect this side up to the brake caliper, put this side into a bottle, and I can pump the brakes and it'll allow the fluid to pass through. But when you let off the brake, it's not gonna pull any fluid back up or pull any air, more importantly, back up through the tube into the brakes. So let's get this thing on the caliper and see how they work. All right, so I've got the brake bleeder on. I had to add a little adapter hose to it. I got the lead valve cracked open. And here you can see I got the valve going into a bottle. Hopefully you can see that right there. There you can see the direction of the arrow. You already see some fluid has kind of gravity bled into the fitting. So now I'm going to depress the brakes. We should see the fluid come out here. And nothing should be able to come back up inside the brake caliper once I release the brakes. Time to go depress the brakes. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just give this a few pumps and I'm gonna check the fluid in the line and I'll check the fluid in the master cylinder also. So here we go. All right, there's one pump, two pumps, three pumps. That one, actually I did take it all the way to the floor, and four. All right, now I'm gonna check the fluid in the master cylinder. Still plenty of fluid. I don't have to worry about it sucking any air. And you can see the fluid is maintaining there. Nothing got sucked back up inside. I don't see any, there's an air bubble in there. I made it through, it's past the valve. And there you go, guys. Just a little one-way valve that makes bleeding brakes by yourself a whole lot easier. It's got the nice clear tube on there that you can see the quality of the brake fluid. You can see when it goes from darker to lighter. You can see any air bubbles in there. Like I said, I did have to add a larger hose to this side just because this one was too small to fit on the bleeder port on these brake calipers. That's no big deal. A little coupler piece, a little piece of hose, and you're good to go. Drain it into a bottle, pump your brakes a few times, and you're done. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, get back to work.